and welcome. In this video, we'll talk about write function in Excel. In the previous video, we talked about left function in Excel, which is used to extract a certain number of characters from the left side of a string. In this video, we'll use write function, which is used to extract a certain number of characters from the right side of a string. So let's say we want to extract the domain of all these email IDs. We want to know whether it's gmail.com, yahoo.com, or hotmail.com. Since these domain names are of different length, for example, gmail.com is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 characters. Yahoo.com is 10 characters. Hotmail.com is 11 characters or 12 characters. So in this case, we have variable length of all these domains. So we cannot say that we want to extract, let's say, 7 characters from the right. That will give us a wrong result. So we'll have to first see the length of this domain, and then we'll have to extract that number of characters from the right side to find the domain. Let me show you how it's done. It's done in 2 stages. So the first stage would be to find the length of the domain. And to do that, we'll introduce the len function. Len function is a function in Excel which extracts or tells us the number of characters in a string. So in this case, length of F4, which would be the whole length of this string, and then we'll minus from here, we'll search for the characters at the rate. We use search function in the other video, so you can refer to that if you need more details. And then we'll see we want to find the position of @ symbol within F4. Let's do this. It gave us 9. What it means is that it first searched for the length of the whole string, then it searched for the position where the @ symbol is, and then it subtracted the whole the position of the @ symbol from the whole length. Let me show you a better way. So let's see what the length comes. So the length of the whole string is 23. If you count the characters, it's 23 characters. And the search function gives us 14. So the number of characters until this @ function @ symbol is 14. So what we are doing exactly is we are subtracting 14 minus 23. So length of F4 minus the position of @ symbol. It gives us 9 for everything. So we have now the length of all these domains. And the next step is to use the write function and find for F4. So it will start from the right of this F4. How many characters? We already know the domain length, which is 9. So we say V4, and it will give us gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com. See, the magic happened. So in short, if you know the number of characters, all you have to do is to say write F4 and the number of characters. If you have variable characters, then all you have to do is to find the position where the string which you need starts, and then use the write function in step 2 to extract that. I hope it helped. Any questions? Let me know. Thank you.